my parcel has arrived. Hintay lang. Through Grab. Get the keys, honey. My LV mini pochette has arrived. Yes. Okay, thank you so much. This is it. Pansit. Thank you. There you go. Salamat. Yes, this is it. I got it. Later yung unboxing. Yan. Thank you. This is my mini pochette. Accessories. Mini pochette. In monogram. LV emboss in the zipper, and then here also in the chain there's an LV tag on both sides, and it is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Yeah. Let's try what will fit inside this mini pochette for our everyday use. Okay. Basically, I really wanted to use this as my Kikay kit pouch. That's it. It's not too bulky, so it's still good if you put it in your bag. Let's say we're going to the grocery and you just need to bring small pouch. Let's put on the wallet, ATM card, and let's just try it if it will fit, and my car key, yeah, and say one lipstick. Yeah, let's try this one. Okay, there you go. Yes, it will still fit like that. Okay. It's bulky. Still, it doesn't break the leather. That's the job. That's it. And I think this MAC pencil does not fit, or it fits but you cannot close properly the zipper. But you can. So you put this on the blush, and this brush has the cover. It's from blusher by Body Shop. Let's put it on here. And I also love this lip and cheek tint by Body Shop. Let's put it on, and this two lipstick, and this mirror. This is my favorite. It's a tiny mirror. Yeah, okay. And this one, let's try. There you go. But this this eyebrow pencil sticks out. But still okay if it's just inside. This is a card holder. Yeah, you want to put it inside. I think it will it fit? Oh, it fits. A wallet inside a pouch, and then what? Lipstick, maybe one lipstick and one lip gloss. Just try. So there you go. It still do its job. Great. And that's it. Wow, thumbs up. This is a great pouch. I love this mini pochette, really. And I'm thankful that I avail it. Thank you so much. This one is really great. Oh, there's one more. And we know that it will still fit. So that's it. What are the things that I tried to put? These are this one. And just try everything else. Yeah, it will fit here. Yay. Yay.